Patty Pit, I believe it's granite. They're a working rock quarry. They provide fill dirt and fill rocks. And they also get stuff in. So this is not mined here, but it was gotten from there. It's off the side roads. It's probably a pile of stone that they've gotten to provide to someone else. But anyways, we got some chunks that are sitting there. Made an entire barrel full. And this is the first week of stage 1. So we will empty that out and we will see what it looks like. Even though they're pretty rounded, they look pretty smooth. I decided to throw them in for another week. I had to add a few more pieces, and I didn't have enough, so I added another piece of the Patty Pit agate to it. And we're just going to see what happens. I probably should put a piece from this jar here, but I took another raw piece and we're going to throw it in there and just going to see what happens. So we'll come back in another week. Okay, this is the second week of the 6090 coarse grit. And we're going to open this one up and see what it looks like, see if we're ready for step 2, the 220 grits. So let's take her outside. Alright, so I've deemed this ready to go on to the 220 grit, and that'll conclude this video. Had to use a lot of ceramic media because this did burn in the rocks pretty good, so this might not be granite because it seems like it might be a little softer, so I'm going to have to figure that out. It's called granite in this video. It might not be called that in the next or in the title. I'm not really sure what I have here, so we'll figure it out, and I will put it in 220. We'll see what it looks like, and I'll come back in a week And you'll probably see this when it's finished, because I'm not going to post a video every time I do a stage. Might get it short and that's it, but then in between stages, mostly this is just going to be doing the rounding phase, which is the coarse grind, and then I'm going to go on and do the polishing phases, or the next steps to get it polished. So anyways, we'll see you in a little while, and the next video is posted. They should be done. Thing I forgot to mention is I like to use a post-it note in one of my barrels, and I put the actual barrel number here, what I think it is. I'm pretty sure it's granite, but it might not be. And then I put the grit and then the date, so I know when I changed it, 220 is 0. Anyways,